the sound of the sea. Palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high. No worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand. Freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody. Feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore. Smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go. Moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside. Together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies. With reggae love we rise so high. Wave of harmony. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. No stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony.
Me nah walk alone. Jah like lead the road. Every step me carry code. Me walk with light, though road get dark. Me soul still blaze like flaming spark. Me nah need spotlight or stage. Just wisdom passed down from the sage. Them try distract with knives and gold, but me heart stay warm, my mind stay bold. My part no fast, but still feel right. Me never stray, me walk with light. Walk with light, step by step. Even when the world forget. One drop beat and Jah inside. Guide me soul through darkest night. Yes I me walk with light. My eyes open wide to signs. My ears tuned deep to sacred lines. Nature whisper, truth so loud. But Babylon hide it with crowd. My trod soft but voice stay firm. My spirit no sell, my soul no squirm. Each lyric me sing, each drum me strike. Is prayer upon rhythm, chanting life. Walk with light, no need to fight. Let Jah justice shine so bright. Me not blind, me not tight. Me live free with inner sight. Oh Jah, me walk upright. Let the rhythm slow your pace. Let the echo cleanse your space. When the night feel heavy, tight, Cause Jah guide me every day. Some follow trends, some follow crowd. Me follow clouds and chant out loud. Me no rush, me no fear. Me walk by faith, not what appear. Me step with heart, me step with trust. In Jah we move, in Jah we must. Walk with light, keep it high. Even when tears fill your eye. Every burden, every plight get lighter when you walk with light. Yes, Jah, my soul take flight. Whoa, try, still rise. One step, true skies. Me walk with light for life. Still rise, like the sun in the morning sky. Bless up. Open your heart, let the healing come. Feel the warmth from the rising sun. No chains can hold a soul that's free. Jah light shine eternally. Winds of truth blow through the land. Lift your head, overstand. This system try keep us blind, but love and faith will realign. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down, done to no illusion. We burn lies with love solution. Oh, Jah, Jah, guide our step each day. Yeah. They sell fear on every screen, but I live in love unseen. Meditate by the roots and stone. In the silence, I'm not alone. Babylon fall with noise and pride, while humble hearts are sanctified. Fire burn, but don't destroy. It purifies and brings us joy. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down, down to no illusion. We burn lies with love solution. Yes, still I rise. Chant down hate, chant down greed. Jah provide all that we need. Roots grow strong when storms blow hard. Every scar becomes a guard. So walk slow through the valley deep. With faith in Jah your soul will keep. Even when the night is long, Zion come with sacred song. I see hope in every face, melanin bright with Jah's embrace. Lift your voice, don't be afraid, with the music that love made. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down, down to no illusion. of the eye seen. They try to sell illusions sweet, but I walk with steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen, gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. We hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trudge a sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with jazz will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. We hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trudge a sky. Selassie I, guide I and I. Dub it low, chant it loud. Roots vibration shake the cloud. From Zion gate to ocean shore, we sing what Babylon ignored. Granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. From ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye.
They sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word, my heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touched my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me hear with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust it bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure, it come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key, the truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave, Nyabinghi chant true leaf and wave. Chimes ring out the soul within, me overstand from wind begin. So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might. It shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spent, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flow from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear. It tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe, yeah. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside.
Flow, not outside, but deep within the river in the soul. Me walk the valley, me cross the heat, still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly roll, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make my whole river in my soul flow so free. Wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, my spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow fast, full of empty dream. Me hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can block, no chain control the freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dub wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Nyabinghi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. So when me weary, me rest me mind. Me close me eyes, the stream me find. It sing no song, but still it speak. It make the strong, it lift the weak. Me carry water from the start, through every scar, through every part. And when we reach the Zion goal, me know it's Jah who fill my bowl. A river in my soul, Jah design. It flow with peace, it flow with time. Forever stream from heights unknown. From him alone, my flesh and bone. Yes, I may never walk alone. me shaped by rain. Me walk with joy, me walk through pain. The voice of elders in me ear still guide my steps when path not clear. My skin may change, my clothes may tear, but soul stay true, Jah always near. Me no forget where me begin, cause roots run deep beneath my skin. Roots run through me strong and wide, strong and wide, strong and wide. From valley floor to mountain heights, in every beat, in every tree, the ancestors still walk with me, yes, Jah, eternally. Them teach for shame, them change my name, but truth remains, still burn like flame. Me call my granny, me call my king. Me chant the line from which me spring. My language cracked, but still it breathe. My culture buried, but underneath it rise like seed from fallen tree. Cause roots run on eternally. Roots run through me deep and bold. It whispers stories never old. Me carry drum, me carry song. My roots remind me where me belong. Oh Jah, my roots stay strong. Let the echo bring back time. Chime sing low like sacred rhyme. Nyabinghi beat remind I soul. Me rooted deep, me fully whole. So tell the youth, don't walk alone. Your blood is book, your skin a throne. The knotted crown from colony, but where the roots Jah give to me. And when we're gone, my spirit rise through banyan tree and open skies. Cause I and I may truly be a branch of one eternal tree. Roots run through me, through our mind, through every thought, through every sign. It hold me firm, it sets us free. Me blessings for no roots run through me. Yes, I eternally. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb. Before me move forward, me give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree can climb.
Not every line roll out. Some just walk with power in silence. Silent warrior,
Trotting still, I move like river through the land. No crown, no throne, just open hand. Me carry peace, me carry flame. Me no seek hype, me no seek fame. Them never see the tears I cry, but still me rise and reach the sky. For in the silence Jah reveal a strength that Babylon can't steal. Silent warrior, move with grace. Truth in heart, light on face. No loud talk, no grand show, but deep inside Jah love flow. Yes, I will walk low, but glow high. And I need crowd to chant my name. Me walk the hills where roots remain. Them run with noise and chase the flash. Me build my home from earth and ash. Me no bow to pressure deep. Me chant when all the world asleep. A soldier of the sacred kind. With every breath, me free my mind. Silent warrior, heart like drum.
fight. Just hold your faith and shine your light. When world grow cold and shadows wide, silent warriors still rise. So let them dance with vanity, but walk with love and clarity. But hold me ground when storm arrive, 'cause Rootsman know how to survive. They don't see, but Jah do see the fire burn inside of me. I walk with humble lion pride, and all my battles fought inside. Silent warrior, but trod alone, but Jah prepare me stepping stone. No fear, no mask, no lie, just soul and sky. Selassie I, still I. Silent but mighty high, quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still seek. Silent but just speak.
Sun cover Beijing, Jah give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live, for all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne, just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure, Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing. Me walk with Jah in everything, yes Jah. Me rise and cling. Me nah check phone, me check the breeze. Me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones. Say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow. Me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace. Let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground. Me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. Nyabinghi beat beneath sunrise. The echo roll where eagle flies. Chimes like angels greet the day. Jah light rise, me trod his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car, but me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way, with one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep, me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie, just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes, Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly. So me walk with care. Every root tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding high through right and wrong, through shadow deep and history. Me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With barefoot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep, in every prayer before me sleep, in every song the soul release. Them chants still bring me heart to peace. Ooh, Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key. The roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jawan decide me flow. Me build me life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand, so next you'd rise and take me hand. Yes, I me root in Jah land.